recently the LS460 has been giving me a little bit of issues down low in the RPMs and at low speeds around parking lot speeds, and I've been experiencing an inconsistent idle or inconsistent RPMs around those low loads. So I assumed it had something to do with an inconsistent reading from a sensor, potentially fuel or air. And when I went to go pop the hood to see if there were any visible either vacuum leaks or fuel leaks or anything of the sort, I found a mildly alarming amount of oil leaking from the mechanical fuel pump on the passenger side of the car. That checks out. So in today's video, we're going to be replacing all of those gaskets. It's going to be a step-by-step video, so if you have similar symptoms with your LS460, hesitating at low RPMs, or you notice a little bit of sweat, a little bit of oil leaking out of either one of your mechanical fuel pumps, this is how you fix the issue. The gaskets themselves, I believe for the entire set, were $30-something off of eBay, and the job only took me a couple hours to do with very minimal basic tools. So hopefully this video helps you out if you are experiencing similar issues with the LS460, or if you just know that your mechanical fuel pumps are leaking oil and or fuel. This is how you solve the issue. Once all the hoses and lines are removed, all you have to do is put everything back the exact order that you took it off in. Just make sure, I would recommend that you clean up every single mating surface where there is a O-ring or seal or gasket. There are two little metal gaskets which go in between the little mushroom shaped piece which you saw me remove. There is the main O-ring which goes to the valve cover and the two small O-rings which go on the stud. Just get a microfiber towel, wipe everything off with a good cleaner, get all the old gunk off of there so you get a nice mating surface. And then yeah, putting everything back together is just the reverse of how we took it all off. And with that, everything was back together. Before putting on the air boxes, I wanted to make sure that the car actually ran and we weren't going to find any leaks just from a bolt not being tightened all the way down. So what I did is I threw on the top part of the air box, which includes one of the MAP sensors for the engine. As you can see, it started up just fine. We had no issues, no leaks, so I knew that we were good to throw back on the air boxes and get started on the other side. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys replace the fuel pump gaskets on your LS460. I'm assuming this isn't going to change for any of the model years, and I'm assuming that this is going to be the same process if you have an ISF or a GS460 or anything with the same Lexus generation V8. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment on what you want to see next. Any specific Lexus content or any specific Volvo content, leave a comment and I will be sure to respond. If you have any questions as well, I will be sure to respond. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.